have a 2020 Freightliner M2 106 with a Detroit unit, automatic, one-owner truck, all maintenance records since new. It's got 90% rubber on it. It is air ride. It is 26,000 GVW, so Class C with air brakes. There is no rust. It does have a Maxon 3,000 pound aluminum liftgate. That's tuck away. It is 102, 103. Low miles on this one. I believe they're 123. Does have DAF. It's a real clean truck. No codes, no lights. Or 135 on the miles. Sorry, it's stand corrected. Ready to go to work. Third-party warranty is available.